Hey everyone! For today's project I decided to make a picture frame. I used air dry clay, but you could also use polymer clay. It just depends what you're used to working with. First I start out by rolling out some clay. I don't have a clay rolling pin, so I just used a bottle of glue and it works fine. Then I just put the pattern on top of the clay and cut out the excess clay. I dipped my fingers into some water and I tried to smooth out the edges. Doesn't have to be too perfect because you can always sand it down later on. This is basically the middle bit. You could roll out a whole sheet of clay, but I was just lazy. After I cut it out to the size of the frame, I went in and cut a tiny bit on the inside. This is so the picture can fit inside the frame. After that, I just attach it to the frame and I clean up the edges as much as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect. You could always add clay after it dries, so I wouldn't stress out too much. When I attach the front to the back, I make sure to put a bit of chipboard at the top. This is so that the gap at the top stays open. This is the fun part, so you could decorate it in any way you want. I decided on some leaves and flower blossoms. Once it was fully dry, I could sand it. I definitely recommend sanding this outside because it's really dusty. For the next step, I put a layer of gesso over the frame, and once that was dry, I just painted the frame with acrylic paints. After I was happy with how it looks, I varnished it with the Mod Podge, and then I varnished with the gloss medium on top. You could coat it with the UV resin. I just personally don't like working with resin. This is the part I totally forgot. It's basically the foot that attaches to the picture frame at the back. I sculpted it from the same air dry clay, and I just attached it with some epoxy glue. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.